Hi! In this video we would like to present you the new ByB Boost Your Boost system by HOF. But let's start from the beginning. The Boost Your Boost system offers an extremely space-saving transportation. The assembly of the boost system is very easy and fast and can be done by 2 persons only. The equipment can be positioned very flexibly and to the millimeter precise. The square pipes are hollow and can be used to run the cables invisibly through the pipes. The head has a rear cable exit. Catalogues and a laptop can be placed as well, and the cables can be run invisibly through the pipes. The new ByB Boost Your Boost system by HOF is made for exhibition booth constructions, showrooms, as well as stores or shops with a high demand on optics and flexibility. The legs are available in different lengths. They are available in 400, 600, 800, 1000 and 2000 mm length and are connected with each other. The grid system consists of our 200-2 Grid Truss and is available in different lengths, from 500 to 5000 mm in 500 mm steps. The legs are powder coated in light grey and the grid is black. Other colors are of course possible too. As you can see, the ByB Boost Your Boost system is the perfect solution for small or medium-sized booth or presentation areas. We look forward to your inquiries.